The medical examiner's office says a 2-year-old boy who died in the Pittsburgh Zoo's African wild dog exhibit bled to death after he was mauled by the animals. Police and officials at the Pittsburgh Zoo and PTG Aquarium are continuing to investigate the death of Maddox Koch, which happened Sunday after he fell from a wooden railing overlooking the painted dogs exhibit. The Whitehall boy's funeral is Friday and his parents are asking friends, relatives and other mourners to donate toy construction trucks in the boy's name, which will be given to a Christmas children's charity. The Allegheny County Medical Examiner has yet to rule on the manner of the boy's death, that is, whether it was an accident or not, until police determine whether anyone will be charged. The boy's family has not commented.